my topic for this research I'm doing is called the Himalayan Mountains. And we're gonna go in and I'm gonna click it. Which one's closing that? There we go. Oh, sorry, not this one. There it is. And okay, this is our road. The origin of the Himalayan Mountains. The origin of the Himalayan Mountains originated from Asia. The Himalayas are not just found in Asia, but trend across countries such as China, Nepal, India, and Pakistan. The mountain range was formed 40 to 50 million years ago. This happened due to the interaction of two large land masses, India and Eurasia, which are driven together by plate tectonics. Okay, so this is the margin of the Himalayan Mountains. So the margin is all of this right here. And also this is showing the fact that it extended for 125 to 250 miles. Okay, so the next one is going to be the types of mountains you will find in the Himalayas. The Himalayas are sedimentary rocks because of the part of the crust that has been compressed during the plate convergent mountain drilling forces. The Himalayan mountains also contain parts of the metamorphic rock and igneous rock. Okay, so the formation of the Himalayan mountains. In 1912, a German meteorologist, Alfred Wegener, developed a theory of the continental drift. His theory stated the continents were believed to be one huge landmass until all the masses began to finally separate. The Himalayas are known to be a young fold mountain chain. These have been formed recently in Earth's history compared to other mountain ranges such as the Himalayas in India and the Appalachians in the U.S. Okay, so I have mentioned other mountains other than the Himalayas. So the 5 highest peaks of this mountain would be Mount Everest, which is about 12,000 feet. Mount Kanchenjunga, which is 28,169 feet. Mount Lhatros, which is 27,940 feet. Mount Malilu, which is 27,765 feet. And Mount sorry about that, let's go back a little bit, which is 26,906 feet. And okay, I have several pictures of the mountain ranges, starting with Mount Everest, as you can see. Mount Kanchenjunga, which is the second highest peak. Mount Lhatros, which is the third highest, as you can see right. This one. Mount Malilu, which you see right here on my right, and Mount Chayuayu, which is the one on the right. The conclusion. To conclude this, the major points I discussed about this is the origin of the Himalayan mountains, the margin of the Himalayan mountains, the types of rocks that are found in the Himalayan mountains, and the types of mountains other than the Himalayas. And on my little sources over here. And let me get out.
Wait, can you go back?
Okay, sorry. Oh shoot, I
That's
said
all right.
out. Sorry for that. I'm gonna reload it back on.
Go back 2 or 3 slides from the end.
2 or 6 lines in the end. Okay.
When
Yes.
you're showing those mountains.
Alright, right about here.
Yeah.
This
You see how sharp? Every one of these peaks are very, very sharp
part.
and
Okay.
knife edge ridges.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's because they're so young and they haven't gone any significant amounts of long-term erosion. Each one of those looks like knife edges, you know.
Ah,
Really jagged peaks, and you see that in these very, very young mountains, and the older the mountains are, going all the way back to the Appalachians, the more rounded and broad, hilly topography they are.
Okay,
So that's one of the reasons you see that the Himalayas are very, very young, because of their sharp topography.
okay,
Okay, it's good, very good.
okay. Let me log myself out.
Anybody have any questions? Do it out. Let's do it out.
All right.
All right, very good. You can